This is the ROC, which is Rebuilding Opportunities in Construction. We have 3 schools presently involved. They come to us third and fourth block every single day. And they are West Side Schools, West Meck, Harding, and Philip O'Berry. You're looking at a small house that's been built by the senior class, and they started this project last semester. So this is their building. I mean, from the foundation up, they had to do the drawing, the blueprints, do all the measuring, and make sure that everything was level, the whole process of building a home. And then get it ready for our seniors who are actually working on their pathway in electrical and HVAC to get it ready for them to do their wiring. They walk out of here, they've got their OSHA training, they've got their NCCER training, and their certificates. Last year, my seniors, who are seniors now, they were juniors last year, their first year with us, literally worked in the field in HVAC companies, electrical companies, and home builders for the summertime, and they'll do the same thing again this summer.